In this session, we will discuss Introduction to UV Visible Spectroscopy. Spectroscopy is the study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with the matter. This diagram is of UV visible spectrophotometer. We have UV and visible light source in this instrument, and the polychromatic light is allowed to pass through the monochromator, and the monochromatic light passes through the sample solution. A part of light is absorbed by the sample and rest of the light is transmitted. Detector detects transmitted intensity versus intensity of incident radiation, and absorbance is measured. Absorbance is log of I naught, which is intensity of incident beam, to IT, which is intensity of transmitted beam, uh, equal to epsilon BC. Epsilon is molar absorptivity, B is path length, and C is concentration. With the absorption of UV visible radiation, molecules undergo transitions, electronic transitions. UV visible spectroscopy is also called electronic spectroscopy. Electronic transitions occur in the UV and visible region of electromagnetic spectrum. This diagram shows the range of UV from 200 to 400 nanometers and visible from 400 to 800 nanometers. Visible light comprises violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. For UV, this range is below 200 nanometer. It is also called as vacuum UV. Oxygen, which is present in air, absorbs strongly below 200 nanometers. For UV spectroscopy, that is below 200 nanometer, is studied under vacuum conditions. UV visible spectrophotometer operate from 200 nanometers up to 800 nanometers. Electronic transitions occur when molecules absorb UV visible radiation. Electronic transitions occur in organic molecules, transition metal complexes, and charge transfer complexes. We will discuss electronic transitions that occur in organic molecules. These transitions are due to presence of pi, sigma, and n electrons. Most organic compounds show some UV absorption above 200 nanometers. UV visible spectroscopy tells us about the extent of multiple bond or aromatic conjugation within molecules. We observe bands in UV visible spectrum as vibrational and rotational effects are superimposed on electronic transitions. Certain molecules like 1,3-butadiene, benzene, beta-carotene absorb light in a characteristic way. According to molecular orbital theory, linear combination of atomic orbitals, two atomic orbitals combine to give two molecular orbitals. One of them is lower in energy called bonding molecular orbital. Other is higher in energy called anti-bonding molecular orbital. Bonding molecular orbital is filled and anti-bonding molecular orbital is vacant. This is the ground state. Energetically favored electron per motion is from highest occupied molecular orbital to lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, and the resulting species is excited state. Here, the one of the electron from the highest occupied molecular orbital is promoted to the lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Organic molecules possess sigma and pi bonds. This diagram shows relative energies of various molecular orbitals and their representation. This is the wave function representation of sigma, pi, pi star, and sigma star, and this is the conventional way to represent these molecular orbitals. Sigma molecular orbital bonding as well as non-bonding are formed when atomic orbitals overlap along the line joining two nuclei. Sigma bond is a stronger bond. Pi molecular orbital bonding and antibonding are formed when atomic orbitals overlap laterally. There is a lateral overlap of p orbitals which give rise to the pi bond. Pi bond is comparatively weaker than the sigma bond. Depending upon the energy of sigma and pi orbitals, the transition which is sigma to sigma star is higher in energy than pi to pi star transition. Organic molecules containing heteroatom possess non-bonding electrons. This diagram shows the relative energies of molecular orbitals. Sigma and pi are bonding molecular orbitals. Sigma star and pi star are anti-bonding molecular orbitals. N is unshared pair of electron. These are non-bonding orbitals. Sigma, pi and non-bonding orbitals are occupied levels, whereas sigma star and pi star are unoccupied levels. Possible electronic transition in organic molecules originate from highest occupied molecular orbital to lowest unoccupied molecular orbitals. It is sigma to sigma star, pi to pi star, n to sigma star, n to pi star. N to pi star transition is forbidden. It is symmetry forbidden transition and its intensity in UV visible spectrum is low. The probability of occurrence of these transitions is low, hence intensity in UV visible spectrum is low. Other two possible transitions are sigma to pi star and pi to sigma star. Transitions, first four transitions, these are found in case of organic molecules, and these transitions will be discussed in the next session under the topic Theory of UV visible spectroscopy. In this session, we have discussed about the range of UV and visible region of electromagnetic radiations, formation of molecular orbitals from atomic orbitals, difference between sigma and pi molecular orbitals, relative energies of molecular orbitals, possible electronic transitions in organic molecules. Thanks for watching this video.